Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Bitget coupon. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the app Bitget from App Store or Play Store, and once you have downloaded the app, just open the app and you will go on this section. So from here just click on more. You can see these options: P2P, Candy, Bomb and more. So just click on more. And from here, you will see many sections like popular, rewards, earn, trading, assets, tools, and others. So what you need to do is just go back to the first one, the popular. And on here, you will see many options like hodler, yield, trader, or like many other options. So you need to find one option, the coupon one. So you can see this one. So if you do not see, just scroll a little bit and you will find the option coupon. So just click on coupon and it will take you to another tab. And on this page, you can see all the rewards and exclusive tasks that you have completed or that you can complete to get the coupons. So let's say you have any coupon, so you will see it on this section, rewards. So just click on claim. And once you click on claim, just it will take you to the P2P section where you can do the trading and of course use the coupon. So you will see an interface like this, P2P. So just go to the P2P and from here you can buy or sell or do all the stuff. And once you go to the trade section and from here you can just buy or sell any coin, and once you choose your coin and amount, and after that you will get an option to use your Bitget coupon. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use those coupons.